going on, people? Moto Steve coming to you live from Windsor, Ontario, Canada. How you guys doing tonight? Hope you're having a fantastic night. I'm out on the scoot, better known as Kelly the Redheaded Stepchild. That's right, my Buell CR1125, named her Kelly. All the Kellys I know are psycho, and she's psycho, so that's why I gave her that name. Wow. Well, I don't know if you guys live in big cities or small towns, but have you noticed lately that stuff that has been around forever is disappearing and never coming back? And it is so sad. Like, we had a handful of bowling alleys in this little city of Windsor, Ontario, and now we are down to two people. That is it. And I'm so glad that they're still open, but it's just like, wow, where did everything go? Like, roller skating rinks, holy jumping. There were roller skating rinks everywhere, and all the kids in Canada, you went ice skating in the wintertime, and then in the summer you went roller skating, and they had roller rinks everywhere. And now, few and far. There are still some in Detroit, very cool, but yeah, they're like, stuff is just disappearing. Movie theaters that used to be like the staple drive-in movie theaters, we used to have them, now we don't. They're all disappearing, and the kids today will never experience that, and that sucks. That absolutely sucks, because growing up, that was a great, I have great memories of, going to the drive-in with your family. And my parents had a big station wagon, and we'd all pile in, and we'd have lawn chairs, and we'd put them out beside the lawn, right beside the car, and watch the movie in the lawn chairs. And my mom would make snacks, and we would have snacks, and she'd bring like a big bottle of pop, and it was just so cool. And like going to the bowling alley and shoot bowling with all your friends, and then playing music, and it was a place to hang out. Arcades, loved arcades in the 80s. Oh my god, that was the coolest thing to do, was go down the arcade, because everyone was hanging out there. And you had to wait to play video games. It wasn't at your house. They had Atari 2600 back in the early 80s. ColecoVision and television, they were expensive, very expensive to have in your home. If you knew someone with an Atari or a ColecoVision or a television, you're like, man, they're rich, because my parents can't afford that. And you hoped you had one in your group so that you could go and hang out and play video games. But yeah, it was so cool to go to the arcade, or go roller skating, or go ice skating. And I just find that all that stuff is disappearing. Now there are some cool things. They have like trampoline places and places where you can play laser tag and that, and those are cool. But the ones where you actually, I don't know, you hung out with people and you went roller skating and ice skating, those are the best memories that I have. And I was just wondering, is it like that in your city or town? Like, is everything disappearing and going away? And but anyways, just a short little quick video, and that's what I got for today. Hope you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. I always try to respond to all the comments. I love you guys. Anyways, it comes to the point in the video where I say hit the subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment down below. I'm Moto Steve, you're you, I'm me. I love you guys, and I am out.